Hi chara, agus fáilte leis chuig an bhís anseo ó Let's Learn Irish. My name's Alana, and today we're going to be examining 10 verbs in the present continuous tense all through the Irish language, also known as An Aimsir Láithreach. An Aimsir Láithreach. By learning and practicing these words, it'll be easier for you to familiarise yourself with An Aimsir Láithreach. Imríonn, I am always good. Bím a gcónaí go maith. Imríonn, I see her every day. Feicim gach lá. Imríonn, you get a headache every week. Faigheann tú tinneas cinn gach seachtain. Imríonn, you drink water every day. Ólann tú uisce gach lá. Imríonn, he comes home during the night. Tagann sé abhaile rith na hoíche. Imríonn, he plays hurling. Imríonn sé iománaíocht. Imríonn, she leaves the office every evening. Fágann sí an oifig, gach tráthnóna. Imríonn, she goes abroad every month. Imíonn sí thar sáile, gach mí. Imríonn, we buy fruit every Saturday. Ceannaíonn thar, gach sáile. And finally, Imríonn, they go to the dentist every year. Téann siad chuig an bhéaclóir gach bliain. Agus sin é a chairde. I hope you enjoyed this short video about the 10 verbs in the present tense An Aimsir Láithreach. An Aimsir Láithreach in the Irish language. Good luck in your Irish language journey. And if you'd like to connect with more Irish learners or more Irish teachers, please be sure to join our online Irish community at letslearnirish.com. Bígí Párteach.